Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2, question number 5. So this questions are about reserve statement of changes in the equity and the reserves. Okay, so we had solved till part G of the question, where the junior accountant is asking the senior accountant, because he has some questions. So now the part H of the question is, explain the term capital redemption, giving two possible reasons why a capital redemption may be made. Capital redemption means you're buying back shares. Okay, you're buying back preference shares or redeemable shares. Okay, from the shareholders. So capital redemption means you're redeeming capital or you're buying back capital. Okay, buying back, which is another term for redeeming. Okay, redeeming your shares. Okay, is because of the first reason is it will show when you buy back your shares. Okay, it will show increase in EPS values, EPS value. So shareholders might buy more shares due to company seems to be appearing profitable. Company appears more profitable. Okay, so now we have to understand what is EPS. Okay, EPS is nothing but earnings per share. So using the profit after the tax. Okay, I will remove the preference shareholder dividend. Okay, dividend paid to the preference share dividend. Okay, you have to get the profit which is left over after paying the preference dividends, and to the number of ordinary shares. So what is the profit which is going to be earned? Okay, if I am going to distribute it among the shareholders, so it will look as more attractive, because okay, I am going to buy back some shares, so the number of ordinary share value will decrease, and also there is no preference share left over, so no need for dividends, which means your profit left over tax for a share appears to be more for the shareholders. So this is one of the reasons why you will buy back the share. Then the second reason, why does the company want to buy back the shares? Okay, so it could be improvement in some ratios, or it could be improvement in EPS, or it could be improvement in return on capital employed. You can say any of that. So that would help. And the second reason, okay, why it is, the second reason why this is capital redemption is made is, it also shows that the capital base is still strong. Okay, when you buy back, okay, when you are buying back the capital shares, okay, we can see here you are going to use the retained earnings to buy back the shares. Okay, you are going to use, but your capital base, okay, capital base is still appears to be strong, and that protects, it is going to protect the shareholders. It protects the value of shares for shareholders and creditors. So there is no drop in the, actually when you use the retained earnings, okay, it should indicate that there is a decrease in profit. Okay, it should indicate there is a decrease in profit, but it should not, it is not like that, because you are getting back your own company share used. Okay, this can be used in future to issue any bonus shares. You have got more shares, you can say, into the company. Okay, explain why a transfer of 12.6 was made to the capital redemption reserves. So transfer to capital redemption reserves, and to protect, to indicate capital base is protected and not all funds can be withdrawn from business from capital reserves. If it was left in revenue reserves, okay, you can withdraw funds to fund several expenses. So you are trying to protect, to indicate that, to protect that the capital base is preserved. Okay, the cap from the business for any expenses. So it is not available. Okay, it is not, it is made unavailable. So